Mithi's kitchen. Again we are cooking another new recipes, which is Kaleji. Kaleji, you know, that is full of iron, and I love it. No doubt about that, I like it. So time to time I do cook that, and I have like 1 kg Kalejis, it's goat liver, and I have dry ingredients such as like 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and half of the spicy one, and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, and also garam masala and roasted jeera powder, which is roasted cumin. Also I have some whole spice is 3 cardamom, 10 black pepper, 1 stick of cinnamon, few 6 of them clove, and 1 big cardamom. Also I have each of the garlic, ginger, and chili paste, 2 green peppers, and also I have julienne cut, like probably 2 each of ginger, 2 tomatoes crushed, 1 big onion, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. So let's start now our cooking. We have our pan enough hot. So now we will add our oil, dry spices, and we will let it cook just couple of minutes because our pan was enough hot. So you can see that is. So now we will add our cumin. Our cumin roasted very good. You can see that color change. At this point we will add onion. Onion we have to roast until it's like a light pink or like golden brown, you know. So we will let cook onion for 4 to 5 minutes. So friends, now we will add our Kaleji paste, garlic, ginger, and green chili, and we will let it cook with the onion probably like a minute. So now we will add our liver. So we will let cook liver until the liver gets like a dry little bit, you know, and if the liver has this whole kind of water, that will be dry in couple of minutes. So we will let it cook like this for a few minutes. So friends, now you can see that our liver got very good roasted with that old garlic, ginger, and also onion juice. So now it's turning so well. At this point we will add our all dry ingredients. Liver is easy to cook. Sometimes we feel like that is getting more harder and harder. But if you follow the proper techniques, how to clean and what ingredients should go first and things like that, that will help you a lot to, cook the food. So always remember what you are adding first and last, and especially like salt. Salt I have kept last because salt can make the liver little bit tough. It's hard to cook. So that one is last, and I will let it cook just couple of minutes with the tomato puree and also other dry ingredients, and then we will add our yogurt in it. And cleaning is very important. Always I clean my meat with the vinegars. Any kind of meat when you cook, put it 30 minutes before, rinse very good and wash like few times, and then add in the couple tablespoon of vinegar and add water and let it set at least 30 minutes. So that will help you a lot. That will eliminate the smell of the meat or anything. Sometimes, so many times, like chicken, you don't like much smell, chicken, fish, any kind of meat, so it will turn so well. So you can see that now our liver is cooking so well. At this point, I will add yogurt. When yogurt release this all water, and then again when we see the oil, at that point we will add some water to let it cook probably another 15 to 20 minutes. But at this point still we will let it cook with the yogurt and tomatoes and like onion juice, and that will roast very good. So after a few minutes I will show you back again how it done. So friends, you can see that our liver is getting very good roasted, and like all yogurt, water and everything dried very well, and you can see that oil is coming. So at this point I will add our salt, and you know that we have kept last salt, so that will now help to cook the kaleji. So at this point I will add like I have like 2 cups of water, so I will add probably cup of water, right, and we will let it cook another like 15 to 20 minutes, but every few minutes I will check it, and my gas is on medium high, so it can be thoroughly cooked from the all sides. And now I will let it cook until 15 to 20 minutes, then we will meet again. So friends, you can see that like after 10 minutes, I have stirred that couple of times, and also I had add another cup of water, and now the liver is getting well very cooked, but still I will let it cook probably another few minutes, and we are about to done, so I will show you how our liver done. So friends, now let's check our kaleji, and wow, it's turned out so well. You can see that. This is the how we want to keep our gravy. So you can eat with naan, paratha, or anything, So now I will add our green chilies and also ginger, and we will add our cilantro too. So at this point I will turn off stove and I'll let it simmer probably in couple of minutes, and we will take out in our serving bowls. So friends, now you can see that our kaleji is ready, and I like to give you some few tips that any meat when you wash, you must wash with the vinegar, and also especially with the liver, add salt in the last, like after all ingredients you add. And number 3 is let it cook, like adding some time of water, maybe add little bit of water and let it cook on the medium high little bit. That will help you lot to cook. Probably I have took 17 minutes to cook this all, and I have added 2.5 cup of waters. So you can see that my liver turned very good, and you can eat with the paratha, bread, and like a naan, or anything, sometimes people like with the rice or anything. But this is really nice tasty recipes, and if you like it, please share with me some comments. It will be really joyful to me, and I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.